So today we are going to study about stack and queue. Okay. So first of all, stack. Okay. So basically stack is a linear data structure. Okay. Stack is also a linear data structure. Queue is also a linear data structure. Okay. Both are linear data structure, but both follows different principles. Okay. This first we'll see stack. Okay. Stack follows the principle LIFO, that is last in first out principle. मतलब last में आएगा but निकलेगा पहले ही. ठीक है. Now the operations. Okay, first we'll discuss this stack, then we'll go to queue. Okay, so first let's see the principal operations which is performed by stack. The first operation performed is push operation adds an element to the stack. Okay, the second operation is pop. Okay, pop, it removes an element from the stack. Okay, the third operation is peek, it helps to view the top element of the stack. Okay, third point, एलिमेंट्स आर एडेड एंड रिमूव फ्रॉम द सेम एंड, दैट इज द टॉप साइड. मान लो अगर ये मेरा टॉप साइड है. ओके ठीक है, तो स्टैक में बेसिकली क्या होगा, अगर मेरे को कोई नया एलिमेंट ऐड करना होगा तो मैं ये इस टॉप साइड में ही ऐड करूंगा, और मेरे को रिमूव करना होगा तो मैं इस टॉप साइड से ही रिमूव करूंगा. ओके, सो बेसिकली एलिमेंट्स आर एडेड एंड रिमूव फ्रॉम द सेम एंड. ओके, दैट इज द टॉप साइड. Okay, the complexity of the operations we discussed earlier, like push, pop, peek, all the three operations. Okay, push, pop 3 has a time complexity of O of 1, that is big O of 1, big O of 1, big O of 1. Same for all the three. Okay, now it can be implemented using arrays or linked list. Okay, to perform this stack we can implement this stack using either the arrays by defining this array size and elements, or using the linked list. Okay, now example of stack. Okay, example of stack can be your browser history. Okay, where the history is stored and you can use it whenever you want. Okay, so the browser history will be the example of a stack. Now we will discuss queue. Okay, now queue is also, I told you earlier that queue is also a linear data structure, right? But it follows FIFO principle, FIFO principle, that is first in first out principle. मतलब पहले आया इसलिए पहले गया. Okay, it follows FIFO principle, that is first in and first out principle. Okay, now the operations of queue, basically the primary operations of queue are enqueue, dequeue, front and rear. Okay, basically enqueue, it helps to add an element to the queue. Okay, dequeue, it helps to remove the element from the queue. Front, it helps to view the front item or the front element. Okay, and rear to view the last element. Okay, now the elements are added at the rear end and remove from the front. मतलब जहाँ पे लास्ट आइटम प्रेजेंट होगा. मान लो अपना ऐसा एक सर्कुलर क्यू है जिसका एक रियर दैट इज एंड पार्ट है और एक फ्रंट पार्ट है. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली एलिमेंट जब ऐड हो गए तो रियर एलिमेंट रियर साइड में एंड में ऐड होंगे. ठीक है, जहाँ पे लास्ट आइटम प्रेजेंट होगा. ठीक है, जहाँ पे लास्ट आइटम प्रेजेंट होगा वहाँ पे नया आइटम ऐड होगा. ओके, और जब रिमूव करना होगा तो फ्रंट साइड से रिमूव करेंगे. ओके, फ्रंट साइड से रिमूव करेंगे, और ऐड करना होगा तो लास्ट साइड में ऐड करेंगे, रेयर साइड में. ओके, दैट नाउ द कम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑपरेशंस. एनक्यू ऑपरेशन इज big O of 1, DQ also big O of 1, front O of 1, that is big O of 1, and rear also big O of 1. Okay, now this queue can be implemented, again it can be implemented using the arrays like the stack. Okay, or the linked list, or even a circular queue or a circular buffer. Okay, using a circular buffer also we can implement this queue. Now the example for this queue is CPU task scheduling, that is used basically to manage the different tasks. Okay, so this will be the example of queue. Thank you.